This is Radioactive Decay Homework 1, parts A, B, C, and D of problem 11. Part A, they ask you to write the equation for the alpha decay of radon 198. So you have radon 198, 198 being the mass number and 86 being the number of protons, and you can find that information by looking on the periodic table. In alpha decay, an alpha particle is emitted. So that basically means that you lose 2 protons and 2 neutrons for a total combined mass number of 4. So basically you subtract 4 from the mass number and 2 from the protons, which is the bottom number, and then since you now have 84 protons, you look on the periodic table, and then that leaves you with polonium. So okay, and now part B, the beta minus decay of uranium-237. So 237 being the mass number, 92 being the number of protons. So in beta minus decay, a neutron is converted into a proton. So you are left with 93 protons, with the mass number being the same since a neutron was just converted. In addition to that, you also have the extra beta minus particle. So yeah. Part C, plutonium-244 undergoes gamma decay. So you write out plutonium-244 with 94 being the number of protons. I actually just forgot the element here. That was my bad. But in gamma decay, energy is emitted. Basically, only energy is emitted. So you still have the 244 mass number and 94 protons. You just have to express that energy is emitted by adding this. Part D, decay of oxygen-17 into nitrogen-17. So oxygen-17, that means that's the mass number, 8 protons from the periodic table. Then they give you the product too, so you know what type of decay to look for. And you see that you have 1 less proton, and that can be found in beta plus decay when a proton is converted into a neutron, and you can express that by also adding the beta plus particle. And then part E, the decay of potassium-42 into calcium-42. So you have potassium-42 with 19 protons, and then you have the product, which is calcium-42 with 20 protons. And based off of previous knowledge, you know that in beta minus decay, a neutron is converted into a proton, and you see that 19, you gain 1 proton, so it has to be beta minus decay, and you express that by adding the beta minus particle, and that's it.